kidnapping and murder of little Faye has many parents concerned about keeping their own children safe. News Channel 6's Ashley Flette spoke with officers at the Marshal's office today. She joins us now. Ashley?
Identification kits for children. Law enforcement is trying to help parents take steps to keep their children safe, and the Richmond County Marshal's office has implemented the use of these child print ID kits. It's a booklet parents can fill out with all of their child's information, from scars, fingerprints, and even dental records.
So it's important that you have some type of fingerprint on them that, features change on kids, but, your fingerprints pretty much stay the same and stuff.
Captain James Sabb advises parents to save this kit in a safe place, like a lockbox. That way they have something to provide law enforcement officials in case the child goes missing.
We have a Polaroid camera that we take along with them, and we'll take their picture and just give them the photo right there.
But they say this kit does more than help save lives.
They think it's pretty cool that we can take their picture and it pops up on the screen, and also gives us a chance to interact with the children. And sometimes kids, when they come up to us, they see police and maybe they are scared for some reason, but then we get the chance to talk to them and interact with them and have some fun with them, and usually they're excited about it.
You can request for the Marshal's office to come to a community event with the child ID kits.
And at each event we can print probably about 20 to 25 because of the ink, that's involved in it, and it's kind of time consuming, but we enjoy doing it, and that's why we went to these smaller kits right here that helps out a lot, where we can just issue those out and explain it to them.
Captain Sabb tells me parents can keep a DNA sample of the child by saving a piece of hair or swabbing the mouth and placing the sample in this bag and storing it in the freezer. For more information about the kits and how you can get one, you can visit this story on our website at WJBF.com. Jenny? All right, Ashley, thank you. Augusta's new